But Deveshji, can I ask you something? Where do you think the opposition lost the election now that the numbers are in?
I'll tell you it's not very, there are two factors, two to three factors. The first factor is the spotless administration of Nitish Kumar since last 20 years. He has been the CM since last 20 years in a state like Bihar. Before that, he was Railway Minister, Government of India. He was Agriculture Minister, Government of India. And till today, there is not even an allegation of any corruption or anything wrongdoing against Nitish Kumar. Not even an allegation. How many politicians in India have that, you tell me, to their credit? So that is one. Then secondly, he has brought back Bihar from the bad governance of RJD of 15 years. The Patna High Court had given a comment during that time that there is no administration, there is no government in Bihar, there is Jungle Raj in Bihar. That was the birth of that slogan, Jungle Raj.
Okay. So clean image and governance are the two things you're pointing out. Deveshji, whose loss is this? Tejashwi Yadav's loss or Rahul Gandhi's loss?
It is both of them. It is a loss for both of them because they were in combination. They were in combination. And the second thing, what I was telling you, the reason for all this thing is Bihar, is the politics of जो बोलते हैं सामाजिक समीकरण जो यहाँ पर है, दो कास्ट कॉम्बिनेशंस है, सोशल कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं, उसमें भी जो the 5 parties which were together, they were invincible. There was no, the opposition had that what you call at my Samikaran, that's all.
Has that been redefined? ये जो MY समीकरण जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हैं देवेश जी, क्या आपको लगता है इस इलेक्शन में वो MY रीडिफाइन हो गया है, महिला और यूथ हो गया है?
बिल्कुल आप उसको कह सकते हैं, वो माई हमारे तरफ आ गया, महिला और यूथ वाला जो है. लेकिन ये जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हुआ, ये जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का नीतीश कुमार का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हुआ, एब्सोल्युटली करप्शन फ्री गवर्नेंस इन द लास्ट 20 years, his image and every section of society has benefited with his governance.
Okay, my colleague Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan he has a question.
Mr. Thakur, both the BJP and the JDU contested the same number of seats. If you look at the leads at the moment, BJP is leading in 89, JDU is leading in 79. Somewhere or the other, do you think that the BJP will, maybe not immediately, but perhaps in coming years, ask for the Chief Minister's chair?
I don't think so, because the leadership has, the BJP leadership, the top leadership himself have announced that there's no vacancy for the post of the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister is going to be Nitish Kumar, is going to be the Chief Minister. They have publicly announced, so I don't think so.
Right.
Devesh ji, jate, sorry.
One of the other aspects that, the Prime Minister, over the last few weeks, even the BJP, started raising was this narrative of Jungle Raj. How much of a factor has that been as far as this election is concerned?
Well, of course, that is a factor, no doubt about it. Because those 15 years, as I told you, the High Court had themselves have given the slogan. The Jungle Raj is not an opposition slogan. This was mentioned by the Honorable High Court that there is no administration in Bihar. There's Jungle Raj going on over here.
Okay, Devesh ji,
so we would always say that Jungle Raj
before we let you go, one final question about the PK factor. People were saying this is a storm, जो लोगों को नजर नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन अब रिजल्ट आ गए, उसके बाद भी ये storm नजर नहीं आ रहा है. What went wrong with प्रशांत किशोर? वो तो 3-4 साल से मेहनत कर रहे थे.
Nothing went right for him. What will go wrong for him? Nothing went right for him.
नहीं, बट आप वो अगर देख रहे होंगे ये ब्रॉडकास्ट टाइम्स नाउ पे, तो आप उनसे क्या कहेंगे कि और मेहनत करो या कुछ और?
नहीं 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 नहीं, ये अकेले उनके मेहनत के बात है नहीं सर। ये उनके बस की बात नहीं है। बिहार की राजनीति और बिहार का ये संभालना, बिहार का इलेक्शन संभालना, वो दूसरों को अपना ही हैज अर्नड हिज फेम एंड मे बी ऑल्सो हिज ही हैज अर्नड हिज फेम बाय गिविंग हिज सर्विसेज टू
तो
डिफरेंट।
देवेश जी क्या बोल रहे हैं, प्रशांत किशोर को वापस चले जाना चाहिए, जो वो करते थे, स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट ही बने रहना चाहिए फुल टाइम, ही कांट बी अ नेता?
I don't know. I don't know whether anyone will now hire him as a strategist.
सर ऐसा मत बोलिए। ओके, देवेश चंद्र ठाकुर, थैंक यू फॉर joining us. Karan Verma joining us in the studio.